Tonight, new internal documents from the CDC explain just how contagious the Delta variant is and why it's recommending everyone wear a mask, even if they're vaccinated. KVUE's Tori Larned is live in our newsroom. And Tori, until now, we haven't seen the data as to why the CDC made this decision.
Yeah, Quita, that's right. This presentation was actually obtained and released by the Washington Post. The CDC stated that the war has actually changed and acknowledged that it has to do a better job communicating the dangers of the Delta variant to the public.
Just days after the CDC urged people, even the vaccinated, to bring back their masks, an internal CDC presentation reveals why they made that call.
Because Delta is so transmissible, we should continue to be wearing masks.
Maureen Johnson-Leon, who's on the University of Texas's COVID-19 Modeling Consortium, says the data highlighted just how contagious the variant is. The CDC finding it spreads just as easily as the chickenpox, and breakthrough cases can spread it to others just as easily as the unvaccinated. Johnson-Leon says even if that is the case, there is plenty of proof that the vaccine helps keep people out of hospitals.
Which is a wonderful, wonderful thing to have in the event of a more transmissible variant.
As tensions build about the efficacy of the vaccine, the CDC also admitting it needs to step up its communication efforts. Leon says that would not only help the public, but local researchers and health experts too.
And the better data that a resident or a community has about COVID-19, the more informed decisions they can make.
Meanwhile, global health specialist Natasha Kathuria says the bigger focus is still the unvaccinated.
There is obviously a risk of breakthrough infections, but that is not something that we worry about on an individual level because these patients do remarkably well.
And she says the answer to the nation's problems hasn't changed. It's still the vaccine.
Moving forward, the CDC also plans to look at vaccine mandates for healthcare professionals to protect vulnerable populations. Quita.
KVUE's Tori Larned live in our newsroom tonight. Tori, thank you.